A fierce showdown erupts on the savannah. A dominant male lion is ambushed by a united group of rivals, each one driven by the hunger for power. Dust flies, roars thunder, and the fight turns violent. This is more than a clash, it's a battle for control, for legacy. In the world of lions, only the strongest earns the crown. Two powerful bulls lock horns in a violent clash for dominance. Muscles strain, hooves dig into the earth, and the air fills with the sound of battle. Neither backs down as they push and charge with relentless force. This isn't just a fight, it's a raw display of strength, dominance, and the unyielding will to lead the herd. Across the open plains, the chase begins. A cheetah bursts into action, pure speed and precision, zeroing in on its target, a fleeing deer. Every stride closes the gap, every heartbeat counts. The deer zigzags, desperate to escape, but the cheetah is relentless. This is nature's high-speed hunt, where survival is measured in seconds. The silence breaks as a cheetah explodes into motion, targeting a group of deer grazing on the plains. Panic erupts, hooves thunder and dust flies as the herd scatters. But the cheetah locks in, weaving through chaos with deadly focus. It's a game of speed and strategy, where one wrong move means the end. In this hunt, only one will win. Tension crackles as two big cats face off, muscles coiled, eyes locked in a deadly stare. With a sudden roar, the fight erupts, claws slash, teeth snap, and power collides in a storm of fury. This isn't just a battle, it's a fight for territory, respect, and survival. In the wild, only one can walk away as king. In a rare and intense chase, a cheetah locks its eyes on an ostrich. The hunt begins, Africa's fastest predator against the fastest bird on land. The ostrich bolts, powerful legs pounding the earth, wings flaring for balance. But the cheetah is relentless, closing the distance with lightning speed. It's an unusual duel of speed and survival, where every second decides fate. In the wild, every moment is a battle of strength, speed, and survival. Whether it's a fight for dominance or a race for life, nature never stops testing its creatures. These raw, untamed encounters remind us of the harsh beauty of the animal kingdom, where only the strongest endure, and the wild always rule.